What's the meaning of bike lane? Bike lane. Bike lane.
Bike lane. Bike lane. A bike lane is a designated part of a roadway, usually marked by pavement lines and symbols, where bicyclists can ride separate from motor vehicle traffic. Bike lanes can help improve safety for cyclists by providing a dedicated space on the road that is free from potential collisions with cars and other vehicles. They also encourage more people to use bicycles as a mode of transportation, which can lead to reduced traffic congestion, improved air quality, and better overall health outcomes. In some cities, bike lanes may be physically separated from motor vehicle lanes by barriers such as curbs or planters, further enhancing their safety and usability.